Yo, what up, boys? You saw the title. So right now I'm on this teardown mission, Power Outage, and I really like this mission because for all the objectives, instead of pressing E on them like normally, you have to shoot them to like collect them, and I just think that's really cool, really fun. And I actually beat this mission about a year ago, but it really was not a good run, and so I wanted to replay it. And I have this crazy plan right now. So basically, here's the plan. So the basic premise of the mission is that you have to start here at the big bomb, and then you have to get over to the exit while shooting all the other targets. And so my plan is to, so first off we shoot this guy. We shoot this guy first, then set up the big bomb, then run like this, shoot this guy, then run more, shoot this guy, get in the car, and then drive all the way like this over to spawn, or the exit. And then once I'm at the exit, I have angles set up to shoot all the other objectives. And then once they're all shot out, I can just exit immediately. And I just think it's really cool. I think it's a really cool plan. So we shoot all 4 guys in this area first. Then we drive the car over to the exit where I can shoot all the other guys from there. Hopefully this is really good. I haven't tried it out yet at all yet, but I'm excited. So let's go. It's my first ever attempt at this. Oh god, this is already going horribly. No. I also need to turn the music on. No. No. Okay, that's gonna be annoying. That's gonna be annoying. I should turn the music back on. Let's try that again. There we go. No, it's so hard. You can drive into like a crack area. Okay, let's go again. That shot is so hard. No, bro. It's so annoying because you have to go over this thing here. If you go to this like whatever. I've done it before. I've driven like that before. I practiced driving that before, and it should work. And I actually got over it before, but it's just hard. All right, let's go. No, how? How did I even flip over? Dude, no. What did I even flip over on? I was like deja vu drifting there for a second. Let's go again though. Oh my god, dude, I'm whiffing. Wow. I'm trying to avoid, like, I'm trying to avoid that little, like, step up, but you can go around the turn while going up that, like, step up area. It's just difficult. Okay, wow. That's just stupid. I can do it. I've done it plenty of times before. Just right now, it's not working out. Please, oh my god, why is there a delay? Wait, what? Oh, I didn't know! No! I missed it. You saw the ending lineup, though. You see all the shots in the spawn. No, I missed the last one, dude. And also, like, the delay between the sniper rifle shots, like... It's a long delay. Ah, I was so close there. No. This shot right, wait, I'm so confused, dude. This shot right here is so hard. You can see I mark it with the spray paint to show where the wall bang is. Wait, I still missed it? Wait, what? Oh, I already got it. Okay. Hell no. I shouldn't even do that with the sniper. Okay, I should just use this. How did I miss? What? What? What is that? No. What? Why did it get out to the other side? What? Bro. I was just started deja vu drifting there and it got me out on the other side. No. Oh my, there's no way. Oh my god, no way. I just messed up. What am I even doing around, bro? How did I miss it? Already off to a good start. Just use this, bro, honestly. Completely forgot about the one in the fucking barn. I don't even know what it hit. Almost messed it up. Let's go! Let's go, dude. Let's go. Yes, bro. 34 seconds left. Yes. Yes, it worked. It worked. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. That was so fun, too. Just running around shooting all of them. That's so fun. 45 minutes. Wow. 34 seconds left, though. That was insane. That was a really good run. See, I'm just standing still shooting all of them. That's so fun. That's so creative. This game is so good. That was so fun, though. Alright, I think that's the end of the video now. So, yeah, like, subscribe if you want. I'm not making you, but yeah, if you like the video, like it. Subscribe if you like my channel. Support me.
Perfect.
And yeah, bye.